In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating countdown animation using CapCut. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of adding a dynamic number sequence with some engaging effects and sounds, perfect for adding a layer of excitement to your projects. So let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by adding a text box with a starting number. Open CapCut and load up your project where you want to include the countdown. Head over to the Text tool and create a new text box. Type in your starting number, which is typically the highest number of your countdown, and adjust the font style, size, and color to suit your project's theme. This will set the aesthetic foundation for your countdown, so make sure it aligns well with the overall look you're going for. The next step is to duplicate this text box and sequentially change the number for each second of your countdown. This is done by copying the initial text box and pasting it into your timeline as many times as needed. For each new text box, decrease the number by 1 until you reach the final countdown number, usually 0. This might sound repetitive, but it ensures consistency across your countdown sequence. Once all your numbers are ready, arrange them in order on your timeline. Each number should be displayed for exactly 1 second. To achieve this, adjust the duration of each text box using the trimming tool until they're each 1 second long. Then, place each text box sequentially, back to back on your timeline. This step is crucial for maintaining a smooth and coherent countdown flow. To make your countdown more engaging, consider adding some animations. CapCut offers a variety of effects, and here we suggest using either pop or fade animations. These effects give your numbers a dynamic entry or exit, enhancing the overall feel of the countdown. Simply select each text box, navigate to the Animations tab, and choose the effect you prefer. You can experiment with different animations to see what works best for your project's tone. Finally, if you want to take your countdown to the next level, think about incorporating a ticking sound effect. This can be a subtle but effective way to build anticipation and draw your audience's attention to the countdown. You can find a suitable ticking sound in CapCut's audio library or upload your own. Once added, align the ticking sound with each number transition in your timeline to perfectly sync with the visual elements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created an exciting and professional-looking countdown animation in CapCut. This technique can be tailored to fit various projects, whether it's for a YouTube intro, an Instagram story, or any digital media where you need a bit of dramatic flair. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.